Welcome to iScope Media. We bring you the latest political news from across the country. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates. In a sharp attack, the Shiv Sena on Saturday pointedly asked whether Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scared or ashamed of uttering the late PM Indira Gandhi's name during the recent 50-year celebration of the liberation of Bangladesh. The Sena also took note that President R.N. Kovind visited Dhaka for the victory celebrations but did not even mention the name of Bangladesh creator Indira Gandhi there. By ignoring Indira in such a manner, you can write neither the history of India nor the world. But who will explain this to such narrow-minded rulers of our country? It's an insult to women power, the Sena asked in a stinging edit in the party newspapers. The Sena also said it's 50 years since the Bangladesh War of 1971 was won by India and the sacrifices of our brave soldiers were remembered, but Modi did not show the courtesy to even making a mention of Indira Gandhi on December 16th. If Indira Gandhi had not shown guts, Pakistan would never have been taught a lesson for a lifetime. She divided Pakistan into two pieces and effectively avenged the partition of India in 1947, the edit said. Even then, leaders of Jan Shah and later the PM Atal Bihari Vajpayee hailed Indira Gandhi as a Durga. An entire world saluted the bravery of Hindustan. Meanwhile, the Sena said, lavishing praises on Indira Gandhi's prowess. Taking another swipe at Modi, the Sena said a ruler can build temples or buildings and clean up a river but cannot dismember Pakistan to create a Bangladesh, which only Indira Gandhi had the courage to do. Instead of indulging in surgical strikes, Indira Gandhi ordered a direct attack by the Indian Army to teach Pakistan a lesson. Even the Indian Air Force and the Indian Navy were used. Karachi port was destroyed, the Sena added. Finally, 90,000 Pakistani soldiers surrendered before India on December 16, 1971. And it was only Indira Gandhi who was the power behind the victory. And nobody could ever attempt a pathetic defeat of Pakistan since then, hence forgetting her akin to ignoring Mother India. On the other hand, the Kargil War, which was in 1999, took place on Indian soil, and to drive out the Pakistani infiltrators, 1,500 of our soldiers were sacrificed in their motherland. Yet, we celebrate it as Vijay Divasa, the Sena pointed out. Well, now stay with us. We shall bring you all the latest updates on this. This is Aparna Singh reporting for iScope Media.